In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your static images into a dynamic video using Canva. This easy process will add a new level of excitement to your presentations or personal projects, and the best part is that you can do it all in a few simple steps. First things first, we need to head over to Canva. If you're not familiar with it, Canva is a fantastic online design tool that allows you to create a wide range of visual content, even if you're not a seasoned graphic designer. Once you have Canva open, we're poised to embark on this creative journey together. Our next task is to prepare your project. This means gathering all the images you wish to include in your video. Make sure they're organized in the sequence you want them to appear. This preparation step is crucial as it sets the stage for a smooth editing process. Now, let's dive into the exciting part, adding animations to your slides. Click on your very first slide to get started. This is where your static image will start coming to life. In the top menu, you'll see an option labeled Animate. Click on that and you'll be greeted with a range of animation styles to choose from. Each option offers a unique flair, whether you're looking for something subtle or a little more dynamic. Take a moment to select the animation that you feel best suits your project's tone and mood. Once you've added an animation to your first slide, we'll repeat the process for the second image. Click on the second slide, select Animate, and choose an animation that complements the first one. Remember, consistency can enhance the overall flow of your video, but don't shy away from mixing in different effects to keep things interesting. Continue this process with the rest of your slides, selecting each slide one by one and applying the animation effects of your choice. This pattern not only ensures every image in your project is animated, but also allows you to maintain a rhythm that keeps the viewer engaged from start to finish. After you've animated each slide, it's time to preview your hard work. Click play and watch as your images seamlessly transform into a captivating video. While previewing, pay attention to how each animation transitions to ensure the final product matches your vision. And that's it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've turned static images into a lively video presentation. This technique can be used to add professional touches to your school presentations, business pitches, or even creative projects. Keep experimenting with different animations to see what best suits your style. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with Canva.